It's a seizing, withering pain to go without for months and months in a forest named for rain. Look on the ground and all about. Leaves make a fist so they won't dry out. A thirsty gauge, a spider web. Grand trees become the living dead. Accepting weather with extremes, where sleep is filled with dehydrated dreams. I wake under a red sun sky. Fire eats the earth, baked clouds fly by. By hand I water chosen plants, birds get a bath and do a dance. But today no rain, today no rain, again, again. And then, at last, a satellite is sensing blue, yellow, red, a sky condensing. Just a drop or two, and three and four. Tap, 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 tap. A thunderous roar. Water falls like tears enchanted. A steady, hopeful beat I once took for granted. This new normal seems to be insane. But tonight a jungle choir drinks and sings in a forest named for rain.